Guys, your friend Adeyemi Blushing is here. On today's video, I want to show you how you can start making profits. I mean, making cool profits on forex trading, because I know that majority of you, you have lost a lot of money on forex trading. But today, I want to show you the laziest strategy that everyone, even the 6-year-old, can even use, to make profit and show proof about this strategy, right? So now, this is this website is LPS. Maybe I'm gonna put this link on the description below, so that you can actually get this free $140 right here. All right, to if you don't want to use your money to try out the strategy, you can actually use this money to try it out, to see your performance, right? To see your performance. And all you need to do is just to come to the play page right here and click on the active bonus. Then you sign up. That is if you do not have a BS account before. That's if you don't have a BS account before. But if you have a BS account, I'm not sure if you can actually get this. I'm not sure about that, right? But you can actually try it out and get the $140 right here. So now let me go straight to the business of the day and show you exactly how the software looks like and how it works. Before I do that, if you're new, maybe you are just coming across this channel for the first time, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning, I want to appreciate you for helping us to grow this community. And make sure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed before, and give this video a thumb up so that YouTube algorithm will see it and able to, so that many people will be able to see this and and benefit from it, right? So now so this is the software right here. Okay, this is software right here, and as you can see, a Renko chart. This is a Renko chart. If you do not know what is Renko chart, actually, if you don't know what is Renko chart, you can go to Google and type about what is Renko chart, right? What is Renko chart? So you can go and type it there, that what is Renko chart. So before I show you this, so you can see that this account was actually funded for 200. So and we are now trying it, because I've been do some tweaking about the software right here, the indicator right here, and I will still tell you how it works. And as you can see, that it's even performing right now here. Okay, so now, and profit on it so far, that is account history, and I will still tell you how it works. As you can see, that this is the profit side right here. You can see that there is no negative at all so far. There is no negative at all so far, right? There's no negative at all so far. Now, as you can see, this is the last signal that it gave to us right here, and this is that signal that I took. This is the signal right here, and just took $5 from it. So now, guys, this is actually how I'm using this software right here. Once it's come out, it appears on the, we don't call this candle, but we call it brick. We call it a brick, right? So now, once the signal come out from the brick like this, once it appear, you're gonna get alert. It will alert you. Once it alerts, then what I do is just to take just 5%. I mean, sorry, 5 pips. Actually, this brick is just 10 pips per brick. 10 pips per brick. You might not be able to see it if I measure it now, but I said 10 pips per brick. But once I got alert, I just take 5 pips, right? 5 pips, 5 pips, 5 pips, 5 pips, 5 pips. Because, but I now use high lot size. Use high lot size. Why I use those target 5 pips instead of targeting long, pip. I take profit and use small lot size. I use small lot size. I use high lot size, and I target small pip, right? That is 5 pip that I always target, and I've been doing this, and as you can see in the history right here, that that we are just making profit right here. So though actually what I'm trying to do here is just to think if we can I can see that there is no so far, no negative so far. So if you can actually do the robot of it, because we are still looking we are still looking into that. I pray that I see a good programmer that can help to program this box, because it's most of the programmers, they don't do Renko, and if you have one, you can actually talk to us and see if the person that can help us to do this. So guys, this is the what I have on ground about FX right now, and it's a laziest strategy. As I said, laziest strategy that anyone can use, even the 6 years old child that can also use to make money from Forex. It does not need anything like analysis that can actually lead to paralysis, and when you lose all the money, it lead to paralysis. So guys, so now if you want to use your money, I will advise you to maybe one of these days I will do review about the brokers. So I will advise you to use IC market if you actually want to use, because of the low spread. If you want to use my money to do this, you can try IC markets, right? IC markets is very good. So aside that, the day you'll be getting like maybe within average of 4 or 5 signals, and if you have $200 and per signal you are using 0.1, that means you are making per pip, you are making 1%, $1 per pip, right? And with the 5 pips that you are getting per trade, per signal, you get $5, right? And when you have $5, then and you have about 4 signals in a day, if it's at least 4 signals in a day, that is $20 with a $200 multiplier by 25 days. 20 days, that is $400. That is, it means you double your capital. So that is the target, guys. That is the target. And we are still actually working on this. But I just said, let me update you guys a lot. We say that for some times now, I've not been able to make videos. I've been working on this, just doing some twisting, at least to make this look cool and profitable for everyone to be able to use. So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.